Ready? Dump it. Good job.
I can do it myself.
Oh, you can? Good job. Now let's pour in. Are you eating it? Oh man. Ready? Good
I
job.
got some on the table.
It's okay. You're trying your best. And then we gotta do the oil. Can you help me do the oil? Oh, it's so big. Good job. Now it's yours turn. 3 eggs. Get a big crack. Boom. Did I give you a big one? There you go. Over the bowl. That's okay. Nice.
Nice, huh?
There's one. Number 3. Awesome. Thanks, girl. Oh, isn't he cute? Can you guys help me put the lid on? We did it. You ready?
Uh-oh.
We'll put them in the oven.
Mom, it's so pretty.
Is it? Thank you. Did anybody see his little nose? Do we want the grass up here? No, we want the grass down here. So if you get it up too high, it'll stick to him.
We can put
Kinda
it right here.
Drape it. Can you help me?
I can't do it.
Very cute. Look at that. Let's put grass over here.
A grass over here.
Mhm.
That's mine.
Cute.
Aw, so cute. This is mine.
You guys like your lamb you made?
Yeah.
You guys did such a good job with this cake. It's so cute. So now we gotta sprinkle jelly beans. Can you do that?
Oh, that's okay. Let's just eat it off.
Good job.
Yummy.
Alrighty, all done.
I want to wave on the camera. I'm gonna do
Hello.
me?
Yeah.
I
Waving.
see ya. You want to wave too? Put your hand in your hand and wave. Nice.
This is my messiest video.
Messy video.
Oh my goodness.